Good afternoon, this is Angela from Wiley's Travel Adventures. We've just arrived at the Airport Inn, which is about a couple of miles from Manchester Airport. I'll just show you around in a moment, but our room's not ready till 4. Thought it was 3, but so we're just waiting in the foyer just while it gets ready. So we'll probably dump our bags and go for a walk. I think there's a walk down by a river somewhere. So I'll just turn you around and let you see the front of the building. So here we have the Airport Inn. Quite a big building. Lots of car parking space. Lovely day down here. We had snow this morning up in Longtown, and then as soon as you got out of Cumbria it stopped. There was no snow at all on the fields or nothing. So there we have the front of the building. So there must be a walk somewhere, because there's a dog walker just down there, and there's like a little, oh yeah, National Trust walk, it says on that green sign over there. So I think we might go on that little walk later, once we get our room sorted. So that's just a quick look out the front of the building, and I'll let you get on for now and see you later. So I'll just quickly show you around the Airport Inn lobby, bar, whatever you want to call it. The reception's over there. David's at the bar. And over there we have the restaurant. We have a pool table there. There's also a swimming pool, which is separate from the hotel. I think it's just further up. It's a bit chilly outside to be going out again to show you where that is. So is your van over the top? Just waiting for the room to be ready so we can get up there. So we've just made it up to our room. This is the corridor. We're in room 102 on the second floor. There's a room there. It's a bit like on Tower of Terror, where you see the ghosts in the distance. Hotel of Terror. Obviously it's just a cheap and cheerful Britannia hotel, but look at the blinds are trailing on the ground. So in here is the stairs going down and going up. Oh God, it's cold in that passage. Good grief. Heck. So we'll just see if anybody's in here. We'll just knock on the door. Hello there.
Hello, what a surprise.
So here we have it, that ginormous Britannia bedroom. Standard room. That's all you need for your head down at night. Not the most luxurious at all, but not like the Radisson, but will not compare. That's a little table there for the businessmen to do their work. Got a mirror on the wall, mirror. And then we've got a little chair. This is our view out the window. Car parks. And further up that road there is where the swimming pool is. So we have television, coffee and tea facilities, the bed with little bedside, what would you call it, tiny tables.
Yeah, with a telephone.
Not many USB sockets, because obviously these rooms haven't been decorated since the year dot. Let's have a look at the wardrobe here. You get some extra pillows, which I'll need, and an ironing board and the iron. That looks sorry for itself on the bottom there. Just shut them doors. And then the bathroom. So obviously the usual shower over bath, toilet and sink. Definitely needs updating, I think. Don't know whether I'll be using it, but we'll see. And what's this? We've got an empty tissue holder here. Nothing in it at all. I've never filled it up in half a toilet roll. What's going on here? Eh? What's not going to last? And is that full? That looks full though. Oh dear, very basic. Very basic. So there you have it. The airport in Altrincham, near Manchester Airport. And it comes with a fella. That's good, isn't it? Eh? Don't mind these rooms if they come with a fella. Anyways, we'll sign off now. We'll probably get changed or something, and it's only 5 to 4. No, it's not. What time is it now?
25 to
25 to
22. 5.
5, yeah. I'm looking at the time I've had this video on. So there you have it. That's it. That's the room tour, over and done with. Hopefully we might stay in the Radisson Blu sometime in the future, but I don't know when. But there you have it. We'll sign off now, and we'll see maybe downstairs where I can show you the food, etc. What do you say, David?
And the beer.
Oh,
Don't forget the beer.
£4.70 a pint. Woohoo! For Carlsberg. The best lager in the world. Anyways, we'll sign you off now and see you later.